हेलो सुजीत जी। हेलो बालचंद्र जी।
हेलो, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते, कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया।
मैं भी बढ़िया हूँ। तो आज
नमस्ते।
सैटरडे है तो हम आज टीचिंग की तैयारी करेंगे, ठीक है? तो आज सन सैल्यूटेशन वगैरह, उसके बाद आपको क्लास कैसे लीड करनी है इसके बारे में टिप्स बताएंगे, और बाकी चीजें हैं जो आप अपनी तरफ से ट्राई करोगे। अगर उसमें कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत होगी देन आई विल लेट यू नो, ठीक है? आज केवल दो ही लोग आए।
सॉरी, क्या बोलते हैं, समझा नहीं।
आज केवल दो ही लोग आए, आप और बालचंद्र जी। अच्छा, सैटरडे भी है ना? चलो सुजीत जी स्टार्ट करिए।
सैल्यूटेशन स्टार्ट। अच्छा,
हाँ मतलब स्टार्ट क्लास करिए जैसे करते हैं।
ओके। Wait, sign in next week. Hands on your team. We'll start the 3 chance not home. Take a deep breath.
मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
आपको आपको आ रही है आवाज राहुल जी? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
आप बाहर है ना, तो तभी आवाज नहीं आ रही, क्योंकि हवा की आवाज ज्यादा आ रही है आपकी आवाज से। हेलो।
Hello, teacher.
हेलो, कैसे, हाउ आर यू?
मेरी आवाज
How
आ
are
रही है?
you? Good.
आई एम गुड टू। Okay, so today, so yes, I can hear you. So today, Sujit ji is going to lead today's class. All right. So because it's Saturday, and on Saturday we usually make a student to teach class and lead the class. All right. So he's going to lead. Just please follow up his instruction, whatever he will say. We'll have to follow that. Okay, सुजीत जी, अब आ रही है आपकी आवाज?
Okay.
करते हैं शुरू.
Salutation से start करते हैं.
हाँ. और इन सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए क्योंकि शायद गेट वहां से म्यूट का ऑप्शन आता है, तो म्यूट कर दीजिए.
और मेरा तो म्यूट रहेगा. Everyone stand straight 1 minute. Take your hands all the way up. Your hands up. Now bend forward. Exhale. Bend down. All the way down. Now inhale. Halfway look up. Exhale. Completely go down to Chaturanga Dhanasana. Now inhale. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Now bend your knees. Jump front to halfway look up. Exhale. Completely bend forward. While slowly inhaling, go all the way up. Release your hands to Samasthiti.
हाँ, ऐसे ही. और डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग में थोड़ा होल्डिंग भी करनी है क्योंकि डाउनवर्ड अष्टांग विन्यास में यूजुअली वी होल्ड द पोस्चर फॉर 5 काउंट्स. ठीक है.
Okay.
चलो.
अभी इसका कितने राउंड करने?
5 राउंड sun salutation A, 5 राउंड sun salutation B. और उसके बाद अगर आप विन्यासा बना सकते तो विन्यासा बनाना है. अगर आपको कोई मूवमेंट आता है बॉडी का तो वो करवाना है आपको. ठीक है.
Okay. ठीक.
ऑलराइट.
Okay. We'll again do sun salutation A. Raise your hands up. Exhale and bend forward completely. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, completely go down to Chaturanga Dhanasana. Now inhale, forward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 counts. Take your hips up, elbows straight. Stay in this position. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend your knee, jump forward to halfway look up. Now exhale, bend completely forward. Now slowly while inhaling, take your hands up. Exhale and release your hands to Samasthiti. Again, take your hands up. Exhale and completely bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, go to Chaturanga Dhanasana. Inhale, half upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 counts. Stay in the position. Keep your spine straight. 4, 3, 2.
5 ब्रेथ अच्छे से होल्ड करना है. जैसे इनहेल कंप्लीट करना है, एक्सेल हो गया आपको 1 काउंट. ठीक है. फिर इनहेल. हाँ.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So here for 3 more seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Now bend your knee, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, hands completely on floor. Try to touch your head on knee. Now slowly while inhaling, raise your hands up. Exhale to Samasthiti. We'll do one more round. Raise your hands up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, hands completely on floor to Chaturanga Dhanasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knee, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, completely over. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale to Samasthiti.
ऐसे ही बहुत बढ़िया।
Okay, now we'll do sun salutation B.
ये अभी थर्ड ही राउंड हुए, अभी 3 ही राउंड हुए, 4 5 2 राउंड बचे हैं, एक ही।
5, 4, ठीक है, okay.
ठीक है, हाँ।
We'll do 2 more rounds of sun salutation. Take your hands up. Bend, exhale and bend forward completely. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, go to Chaturanga Dhanasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Hold the position. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, completely go down. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale to Samasthiti. Again, take your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here for 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knee, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, hands completely on floor. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to Samasthiti. Now
हाँ,
we'll
sun salutation भी।
yeah, we start sun salutation B. Take your hands up to Utkatasana or chair pose. Make 90 degrees between your leg and spine. Now bend completely forward. Try to touch your head on your knee. Now inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dhanasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your right leg between your both hands and go take your hands up for warrior A. Now exhale, hands on floor. Take your right leg back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your left leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for warrior pose. Both the hands on floor. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Now raise your breath. 4, 3, 2. Bend your knee, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, go to Utkatasana or chair pose. Now exhale to Samasthiti. We'll go second round. Take your hands up and go to Utkatasana or chair pose. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, go to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg, let together both hands. Take your hands up. Go warrior pose. Keep your back leg straight. Forward leg at 90 degrees. Now exhale and both the hands on floor. Take your right leg back. Go to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your left leg between both the hands. Take your hands up for warrior pose. Right leg should be straight. Forward leg making 90 degrees. Now exhale, both hands on floor. Take your left leg back. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now stay here for 5 breaths. Now raise your breath. Then back to your both legs one by one. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knee, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, go to chair pose. Exhale to Samasthiti. Now we'll do third repetition of concentration. Raise your hands up, the chair pose. Quickly bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, bend forward. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg between both hands and raise your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, both hands on floor. Take your right leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now take your left leg between both the hands. Raise your hands up for your pose. Now exhale, both hands on floor. Take your left leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. Then pedal down your legs. One by one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knee, jump front to halfway lift up. Exhale completely down. Inhale, go to chair pose. Exhale to Samastiti. Again, take your hands up. Chair pose. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, inhale, halfway look, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your right leg between your both hands. Raise your hands up. Warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Keep your right leg back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time, take your left leg between your both hands. Take your hands up for warrior pose. Keep your back leg straight and take a 90 degree. Stay here. Now exhale and take your both hands on floor. Left leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 minutes. Then pedal down your legs. Keep your spine straight. And keep your tailbone high as much as you can. Keep pedaling on your legs. 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knees, jump front to halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, to chair pose. Exhale to Samastiti. Now we'll do last round of sun salutation. Take your hands up to chair pose. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, go to Chaturanga. Inhale, halfway look, upward facing down. Exhale, downward facing down. Take your right leg between both the hands. Take your hands up for warrior pose. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your right leg back. Go to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time, take your left leg between both the hands. Hands up for warrior pose. Join your both hands over your head. Push your keep your back leg straight. Front leg at 90 degree. Exhale, hands on floor. Take your left leg back, go to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now hold here for 5 minutes. Keep your spine straight. Try to take your tailbone higher as much as high you can. Down your leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee, jump forward to halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, go to chair pose. Hold here. 3,
2, 1. Exhale to Samasthiti.
Very nice, Sujit ji. Your instruction was very clear and it was very precise
आगे
that
का
we wanted.
वो अष्टांग का मैं फ्लो करा सकता हूँ, मुझे याद है, बट आई एम फीलिंग
हाँ ठीक है
completely tired.
ट्राई करो आप। हाँ
Are you getting
मतलब
my
आप
voice?
हाँ समझ आ रही है आवाज, आ रही है, सबको आवाज आ रही है। तो इट वाज वेरी नाइस। अगर आप अष्टांग विन्यास का फ्लो करवा सकते तो वो भी कराओ, बट इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू प्रैक्टिस एट द सेम टाइम यू इंस्ट्रक्ट। ठीक है, तो इफ यू फील लाइक इफ यू डोंट वांट टू प्रैक्टिस, यू जस्ट वांट टू इंस्ट्रक्ट, यू कैन इंस्ट्रक्ट एट द सेम टाइम।
Okay.
ठीक है, सो एज पर योर कंफर्ट गो अकॉर्डिंगली।
Teacher Rahul,
Okay.
question.
Yes, Rab.
Kate.
Yes, Kate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are we all going to teach somehow?
Yeah. Do you also want to teach?
I mean, not now because I'm just I just started, you know, my curriculum. So, but then it's a
Yes.
question. So it's
Yes.
mandatory for
Today
all of
on. Yes.
all the
It's like on Saturday. On Saturday, we are going to make student to teach, because
Oh.
whatever they have learned so far, so it is going to help them out to instruct in today's class. All right. So
Yeah. Okay.
if you already know sun salutation, that you can go for. Otherwise, Sujit ji is going to lead today's class. Okay.
Okay.
Balchandra ji, if you
How do you
also want to.
how do you decide for the student to teach? It depends on their advances.
It completely depends on you. Like if you want, if you are enough confident to like to instruct, then you can come.
Okay.
Yes, Balchandra ji, would you like to try?
Yes, आपको आवाज, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. No, I mean, next time you can give me a chance for sun salutation.
All right. ठीक है, तो अभी सुजीत जी करेंगे. सुजीत जी is going to lead because he already know that Ashtanga Vinyasa flow. All right. तो सुजीत जी को बहुत ज्यादा पसीना आ चुका है.
It's nice one, Sujit.
It was very nice.
I can go for fundamentals.
Yes.
Primary, I find
But-
it little tough. So fundamentals, I can go.
Yeah. Go for the
So
fundamental
I'll start
postures.
with fundamentals.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I cannot practice today because my ankle it is injured, so that's why I could not practice. That's why I'm turning my camera off. All right, so don't mind that. Okay, so I'm just looking at you, I'm seeing you, that what you are doing and what are the things that is going to improve. At the end, I'm going to tell you. All right.
Yeah. Please
Okay.
correct me if I'm doing something wrong.
Yes, for sure.
So, spread your legs. Keep a distance of at least both the legs should be one leg apart. Raise your hands towards side. Now turn your right foot forward and exhale and completely go down on your right foot. Left hand will be up. Both the hands will be straight in one line. Make Trikonasana. Try to look at your palm. Exhale. Come back to center.
Again, you have to hold for 5 counts, like 5 breaths
Okay.
into each posture. Yes.
Okay. Now take your left foot forward, right foot on side, and exhale and bend forward towards your left leg. Try to get your left foot. Right hand will be up in the air. Try to look into your palm on right hand and hold here for 5 breaths. Both the knee will be straight. Stay here in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Now again take your right foot forward. Now we'll do
Revolve triangle.
yeah, reverse triangle pose. Exhale and bend forward towards your right leg. Keep your hand on either side of your foot. And
So this time
hand,
your left hand should be on the floor.
sorry,
This time your left hand should be on the floor. Left hand, yes. Revolve, because it's revolve triangle. Na?
okay. So in triangle pose we okay fine. So come back to
Yeah,
left side. Keep your left hand this either side of your foot, left foot. Right hand will be up in the air. Try to look into your palm and hold in this position. Knees will be straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back to center. Now turn your right foot forward. Exhale and take your right hand either side of your right foot. Left hand will be up in the air. Hold here in the position for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Now come back to Samasthiti.
So you
Ramji,
forgot, you skipped that revolve triangle. So this was triangle, like this was lateral bend. All right. So in that your spine is getting extended towards the right side. But in revolve triangle, what is going to happen? The distance of your leg is going to get reduced, all right, or get decreased. So after this, you have to keep your hips square, take your left hand up, and this time your spine is going to get twisted. All right. So this is your revolve. Revolve means twisted. All right. So you just skip this one. So try this one also.
okay.
This is
Yes.
Uddita Trikonasana.
Yeah. So Utthita Trikonasana is one when you are lateral bending. So this is Parivritta Trikonasana when you are twisting your spine.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So
How do
Anyone
you call-
here know that Parivritta Tri? Yes.
Teacher Rahul, how do you
Here.
call that? The other side? Reverse triangle
Yeah.
or
Yeah, that is revolved triangle.
reverse? Okay.
Revolved.
Revolve.
Yes, revolved triangle.
Reverse
And
is the other side, right?
not reverse. Yeah, reverse is the other side. Like when you're bending to the right side. So reverse
Okay.
is something when you are bending on the other side.
This one,
Okay, or
when
opposite.
your right side is bent and then left hand is in the floor, revolve.
Yeah, that is
triangle.
revolved. Yes. Or in Sanskrit, this is called Parivirta Trikonasana.
Sorry?
Parivirta Trikonasana.
Okay, I read.
Yeah.
राहुल
So
जी
go
एक
for the
बार
Parivirta.
आप एक
ठीक
बार
है।
इंस्ट्रक्ट कर देंगे मैं थोड़ा भूल जा रहा हूँ इसमें आप
चलो कोई
इंस्ट्रक्ट
बात नहीं, कोई बात
करते जाएंगे
ठीक है।
Rahul ji, I'll try to show Rahul ji.
Yes, you may try.
Okay. So we stand with 2 shoulders width apart. Put your
Okay.
hands parallel to the ground. Turn your right toe outward. And from here, take your left hand next to your right toe. And put your right hand up and look up at the right palm.
Yes, so Gigi, left hand should be on the floor. Left hand. This side, on the right side, left hand would be on the floor. No, to the right side.
अच्छा रिवर्स
Just look at him.
Reverse,
Yeah, reverse. Yes.
The left hand should be outside the right toe.
Yes.
From here, come back to center. Right toe facing straight. Now put your left toe facing outward. Take your right hand next to your left toe outward. And left hand up and look up at your left palm. From here, come back to center. And
Release back
Samasthiti.
into Samasthiti. Okay, so let's talk about its alignment, because I felt like you were feeling difficulty when you were holding into this posture. All right. So what you have to do when you're turning your right foot out, and make sure you're turning your back leg all the way in, like this, so that your hips gets square to your right leg. Make sure your back leg is all the way rotating inward. If it's rotating outward and you're trying to twist to a spine, it's going to be quite hard, because your back leg, your back foot is resisting that action to rotate your leg inward. Right, so make sure your back leg is all the way rotating inward. Your hips is square to the front of your mat. Yes, let's try this one. Rotate your leg inward, back leg in. Yeah, left leg all the way in, all the way in. Just keep turning your back leg all the way in. Very nice. So keep your both hands on the waist. Keep your hands on the waist. Yes, first twist your hand and take your left hand up. Take your left hand up first over the head. And exhale, completely bend forward. And try to drop your hand down on the floor. And then take your other arm over the head. Just take your other arm. Yes. So if you're feeling difficulty into this posture, it means that you need to bring your back leg a bit more forward, so that you can, yes, back leg को थोड़ा सा और पास ला जाओ. हाँ, थोड़ा सा और पास. And twist. Now again, inhale, come back. Now the same thing we will do on the other side. Turn your right foot all the way in and left foot all the way out. Yes. And now keep your hips square towards your front leg. Keep rotating your back foot all the way in and raise your other arm over the head. Yes. Sujiji, your left hand.
Right.
Right.
I told you. Okay.
And then exhale, upward. Yes, Sujiji, आपका left hand up जाएगा. हाँ, and drop your head down. Drop your hand down on the floor, either side of your front leg. Very nice. And then twist your spine from the bottom. Okay. So the twisting should come from your bottom of your spine, from the tailbone. All right. So make sure you do not hurt your sacroiliac joint, twisting out from there, and then reach a hand up. Keep extending. Very nice. And keep your back leg straight. Press your back heel on the floor. And then hold there for 5 breaths. 1. Bring that awareness on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. There should be Ujjayi breathing or victorious breath. 3. Good job. 2. Keep twisting your spine more out with every exhalation. And 1. Inhale. Again, come back to the center. Arms extended out. And then exhale, release back into Samasthiti. Release back into Samasthiti. So now next posture is side angle pose or Parsva Asana. All right. So yes, Sujit ji, let's try. आप try करिए.
Okay. Okay. Spread your legs to one leg apart.
So देखो triangle pose में, in triangle pose, the distance of your legs should be 1 leg distance apart. If you're going for revolved triangle pose, your distance will be decreased. All right, it's going to be reduced. But in side angle pose, the instance between your legs should be more than 1 leg distance apart. All right. Okay. So because here we are opening our legs all the way out like this.
Yeah.
But in the triangle pose, your back leg would be a bit forward. But in revolved triangle, your back legs would be more forward and then twist your spine.
Okay.
So this would be the fundamental of this. Yes, yes, Kate.
Okay. Spread your legs a little bit more.
Yes,
Take your right foot forward.
yes,
Bend your right knee 90 degree, back leg straight.
yes.
Now drop your right hand. Now first raise your left hand over your head, touching your ears. Now drop your right hand on the floor. Left hand will be straight in line with the back leg. Stay here in
Very
position.
nice.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back to center. Now left foot forward. Bend your left knee. Now take your right hand up in the air. Straight touching your ears. Now exhale and drop your left hand besides your left foot. Your right hand will be straight in line with the back leg. Stay here for 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Hands up. Now, now we'll do revolve.
Yes,
Okay.
revolve side angle pose or Parivrtra Parsvakonasana.
Okay. Again, take your left foot forward.
No. This time we will do from the right side.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Turn your right foot out.
Okay. Take your right foot outward. Bend your right knee. And
So again, you have to
Yeah, that's
rotate
like
your
this.
back leg all the way in. Rotate your back leg in so that your hips gets square. Rotate your back foot in. Very nice.
then so that your hips are square.
Yes.
Now, hands on your waist. Bend your right knee. Now, take your left hand up and bend down either side of your leg or right foot. And take your right hand straight. Keep it in line, touching your ears. Your right hand will be in a straight line with back leg. Stay here for 5 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Now take your foot towards left side. Your hands on your waist. Now bend your left knee. Take your right hand up and bend forward either side of your left leg. Outside of your left foot actually. And take your hands straight up, touching your ears. Your left hand will be in straight line with back leg. Stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to center. And release to
And then
Samasthiti.
relax back into Samasthiti.
Was it
Okay.
correct?
Yes, that was correct. So it was very nice when you said keep your left hand over the ear and then bend forward into the Utthita Parsvakonasana. All right, because in that we usually forget our hand to keep it beside of your ears. All right, so that was very nice point. And you also skipped two posture before this triangle pose. We had Pandagushanasana, Padasana. In that we grab our toes, we bend forward, we keep our hands underneath our feet. Right? So these are your fundamental postures in which you have all standing postures, and then after primary series starts. Okay.
Okay.
So this was very nice. So any question that you want to ask about these postures, or anything that you want me to like talk about?
Doing this fundamental series and while trying for primary, especially in fundamentals, I feel so much stress on my knees, especially when I do this in this position. When I go down, no, I find difficulty to keep my spine straight and go completely down. And my head is touching on the floor, that time I feel so much stress on my knees. And when I come back, it will be paining a lot. When I tried for
Okay.
starting first 2-3 times. So
See,
I'm feeling
one more thing I would like to say here, whenever you're going forward, make sure your legs are rotating inward. All right. So if you're rotating your legs outward, so you're going opposite of that tendency of our body. All right. So if your tendency is moving down towards the floor, make sure your legs are rotating inward. Then you will relieve that stress from your knee. All right. And maybe you may be turning your feet out. Maybe your feet are not parallel to each other. If they are not parallel to each other, if they are turning out, then you may have that pain. And if you are opening your legs too much out, right? So if you do not have enough strength on your thighs, then all pressure is going to get shifted over your knees, and then you will have all pressure on your knees, and then that you cannot bear. Right? Maybe this is a reason. Maybe the other reason is you are not rotating your legs inward. Right? So maybe one more reason is that you do not have enough strength on your thigh. Right? So let's try by rotating your legs inward. Maybe it's going to relieve that stress. So let's come up everyone one more time on this wide leg forward bend.
Sorry, question.
Yes, yes,
This is Ashtanga Vinyasa, what we are doing now.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now from here you have to rotate from your hip joint. Try to rotate your hip forward first. Like rotate your hips forward from your hands. Keep your hands on the waist and try to rotate it forward so that you will pull up your chest high and pulling your abdomen in. Just keep bending, and keep rotating your legs inward. Keep bending forward, keep bending forward, keep bending, keep bending until unless you get your spine straight. Right? So keep bending forward and then drop your head down. And then hand down on the floor in between your both legs. अगर अभी भी प्रेशर आ रहा है, सुजीत जी अभी प्रेशर आ रहा है आपके नीज में?
नहीं, अभी बेटर है.
तो रोटेट करना है आपको लेग, ठीक है, इनवर्ड. So always remember to rotate your legs inward whenever you're going for the forward bend. And whenever you're going for the back bend, rotate your legs outward. That is going to be extension of your hip.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका hips का, this is called flexion of your hips when you're bending forward. When you're pushing your hip forward, that is called extension of your hips.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो
Okay.
तो आप फॉरवर्ड बेंड कोई सा भी कर रहे हो, वेदर यू आर डूइंग दिस पादपुष्टानासना, Paschimottanasana means seated forward bend. This still here you have to rotate your legs inward. If you are going for this reverse tabletop or this Purvottanasana, still you have to rotate your hips outwards because you are bending back. That's why. Alright, so this is a neutral position to rotate your legs a bit outward because our hips is always like they just want to get into this anterior pelvic tilt. Okay, they just want to lean forward. So that's how you may try.
Okay.
Okay, so any other question that you want to ask? Because in the evening class we will also discuss about the alignment of the postures, and we'll also again try to make a student to teach one posture alignment.
I feel the
Yes.
need of this fundamental postures alignment in evening class. If you can do it on one day.
Yeah, we'll do it for sure.
Salutation I think it's pretty well. But in Ashtanga Vinyasa, this fundamental and primary series, there
Yes, yes.
I find it difficult because my hips are not that much flexible. Hip mobility is not that much good at this point.
Yes, yes.
Maybe,
So these fundamental postures purpose is to get that mobility on your hip joint. All right. So that is not going to work on the flexibility. A little bit flexibility would be there in your fundamental posture, but the main purpose is to get that mobility of your hip joint. So that's why, like in whether you're going for the wide leg forward bend triangle pose, in that you are keep extending your hip out, and your legs is going to get more mobile than before. Okay. So let's finish our class. So आओ सुजीत जी कर दिए finish कर दीजिए class.
Okay. Sit straight, cross your legs. Keep your both hands on your knee. Close your eyes. Spine straight, neck straight. We'll do one Om chanting followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath. Shanti.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Join your both hands. Bend your neck. So slowly by blinking, you open your eyes and say namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much Sujit ji and Balchandra ji or
Please.
Kate.
Thank you.
Thank you so
teacher.
much everyone to joining me here. Bye bye.
Rahul
Enjoy your
ji,
day. Yes.
just one take suggestion. Actually,
Mhm.
Sujit ji conducted the class very well.
Mhm.
But only thing, once we start the class, when you tell us to do Surya Namaskar, I think I mean, we can just spend 2-3 minutes to get our bodies warmed up, either in chair pose or by Tadasana. Or generally, when you take the class, initial 2-3 minutes, we generally try to get body slightly warmed up so that we can do Surya Namaskar better. Probably, generally, when you tell us to do it, we generally forget because we are newcomers. So just in case we forget, probably next time you could remind us, because warm up, otherwise we'll just, I mean, there could be some muscle pull or something.
Yes, yes, of course. So
That is
before
all.
sun celebration, we are supposed to like go for the warm up. Yeah, that's very nice thing. And we usually do in the offline classes when I go for teaching. So at the time we usually do, but in online class, we do not, interact that much. But it's fine, we will do for sure.
Yes, yes. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
I do
Yes.
some movements.
Yes,
before
yes, of
starting
course.
asana.
You could add that moments too.
So I will try in next opportunity.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you so
Bye.
much, Balchandra ji, for the suggestion.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul ji, Sujit ji.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye.